In this video, I'll show you how to join the ByBit Referral Program. If you haven't signed up on ByBit yet, be sure to check the link in the description to get started for free and claim a generous welcome bonus. Let's dive into the tutorial. From the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then, select Invite Friends. This will take you to ByBit's Referral Program section. Here, you can invite friends and earn up to $1,717 in bonuses, along with up to 30% commission on the trading fees generated by your referrals. To get started, simply scroll down to find your unique referral link. Copy it to your clipboard and share it wherever you like, whether it's on social media, email, or messaging apps. Below, you'll also see a dashboard that provides detailed information about your referrals and commissions. You can also tap the Invite Friends button to share your link directly through various platforms. ByBit also offers extra rewards and challenges as you continue to invite more people. The base commission rate is 20%, but it can increase to 30% based on your referral activity. So if you haven't joined ByBit yet, use the link in the description to sign up and start earning today. Good luck with the referral program. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.